Hey guys, just thought I'd do a little video here this Friday evening. I didn't even get cleaned up for this video. Welding student, not a fashion student. Anyway, got done with the first week of phase one at Tulsa Welding School. So basically, what we've been doing is running beads. So basically, anything that varies with that would be the position. So anyway, I'm gonna give you guys a little rundown on exactly what we've been doing. Something I thought I might add is I'm not really sponsoring Tulsa Welding School or anything like that. Just kind of giving my perspective on basically what I'm going through and what to expect for everybody else. So, I mean, if there's bad things that come up, so be it. If there's good things, I'm not trying to push some sort of an agenda. Just, this is my take on what's going on. So, if you've had a negative experience with it, so be it. I may see it different. I may see it the same. So anyway, just realize that this is through my eyes and how I think it is and how I think it should be. So, um, I don't get too wound up over, you know, uh, debates and stuff like that. I'm not looking to do that. I'm just looking for future students to know what to expect, whenever they get to the school. Okay, guys. Basically, this is what we've been doing at school. Now, this is not a plate that I did at Tulsa Welding School. This was from a previous class. So I've improved since I did this. Anyway, basically, you go to class Monday and get all your stuff and watch some safety videos. Tuesday, you're going to be in the shop. Uh, they're going to have you burning 7018 rods. They're going to start out in the flat position, which is exactly like this, just flat on the welding table. Uh, and then you're going to do that for at least a day or two. And then, like I tested on Wednesday for flat, and then they're going to move you on to horizontal, which is just like this with the beads running left and right, which you're going to start at the bottom and work your way to the top, just running uh, beads. Now they're going to have you run one direction. This is running left and right to left, because I wanted to practice, welding with both hands, one direction to the other. They do kind of standardize your direction and hands, stuff like that at Tulsa Welding School. Which, I mean, if as long as you're using both hands, it's fine. Because once you get out in the field, you're going to run into everything. So anyway, let me move on. Let's see. Today I tested out of my horizontal, and I got my grade on that. So then they're going to have you running vertical beads. Now, your plate's going to be situated like this, and you're going to be welding beads vertical up. 718 is a vertical up rod, because the slag is so heavy. I won't get into some of the more technical stuff. You can go to school and learn that. But anyway, you're going to run these vertical up. Now, that's quite a bit more of a challenge than the flat and horizontal. But, get in your booth and burn rods. I mean, just burn. You're there for 5 hours, have your piece ready, and, weld up till your shift ends, and then clean up, Just keep burning, keep practicing. Ask your instructors, how you can improve, how you can, what you can do to make yourself better. That's the only way you're going to be able to do it. You're there, you're paying money, to learn how to weld. When you're there, learn how to weld. Uh, just stay in the booth, keep the hood down, and don't be afraid to try new things. But definitely follow the advice of your instructor. That's what they're there for. They've been there. They've worked in power plants. They've worked in refineries and pipeline and everything. Under the sun, they know what they're doing. You may think you know what you're doing, but trust me when I say that the instructors You know, they're there to teach you, uh, how they want it done. Now, whenever you get on the job, that may be a different thing, but that's for another day. But basically, anyway, that's just kind of what we've been up to. This is Friday. I started Monday, so I'm already, on the vertical up beads. Uh, the program is definitely intense, but I mean, 5 hours a day of nothing but welding. You can get you can get a lot done. So don't be afraid. It's intense. They teach you what you need to know to get your to get that first job. They do it in 7 months, so it is going to be intense. But if you stick with it, just kind of roll with the punches, and don't don't shy away from working hard at it. You'll be fine. So anyway, this is kind of what we've been up to. Next week we're going to move on to some tees, uh, some flat tees, 718 and 7024s. Uh, Basically, we'll be running those, and we'll be just kind of moseying along, getting a lot of stuff done. So anyway, I hope to keep you guys kind of updated on what we're doing as we go through. To date, I've burned, let's see, since Tuesday I've burned 160 rods. So I've just been kind of keeping track. I know pretty much nobody does that, but I just thought I'd humor myself and just keep track through the program. But anyway, just keep burning rods and stay under the hood. So I'll keep you guys updated. If you got questions, comment, but like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.